Class 8 Algebra Exercise 2A. The name of the chapter is Polynomial. So, how to find whether the following equation is a polynomial or not? So, something we have to understand. If the value of x is written in the power as minus, that means that will not be considered as polynomial. If it is written in form of by, that means if it is in the fraction, it will not be considered as polynomial. If the value of x, y or z, if it is in the form of root or cubic root, that will also be not termed as polynomial. In case if the value of x is written as power is given in the form of fraction, that will also be not termed as polynomial. For example, some questions we have got here. X to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3. So is an expression having only non-negative integral power of x, so it is the polynomial. Also, the highest power of x is 5. Look here, the value of x is given as 5, the highest power. So, it is a polynomial of degree 5. This is the number is constant here, 3. 3 is in power. So, don't take this. We have to take either x, y, z, t, whatever the alphabetical letter is there. If those numbers are in power, we will consider them as non-polynomial. Here y to the power cube, that is y cube plus root 3y, is an expression having only non-negative integral power of y, so it is a polynomial. Also the highest power of y we can see here, this is 3. So 3, so it is a polynomial of degree 3. Here t cube minus 2 by 5t plus root 5 is an expression having only non-negative integral power of t, so it is a polynomial, and also the highest power of t is 2, so it is a polynomial of degree highest power is 2 here. X to the power 100 minus 1 is an expression having only non-negative integral power of x, so it is a polynomial. Also the highest power of x is given as 100, so it is a polynomial of degree 100. 1 by 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2 is an expression having non-negative integral, and the power of x, we can see what is the highest power of x, that is 2, so it is a polynomial, and also the power of x is 2, so the polynomial of degree is 2. Here we can find, here the power is in negative, x minus 2, 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 3, so is an expression having negative integral power of x. So if it is negative, clearly we can tell that if it is a negative, that means it is not a polynomial. Clearly you can find out here that only one question is written, only one. So here we can write clearly 1 is a constant polynomial, and that means that has got degree 0, because x to the power 0 value is 1. If minus 3 by 5 it is written, clearly this also we can understand, it's a constant polynomial of degree what? 0. Here x square by 2 minus 2x square, we can write it as like this, x square by 2, I have written some here, this is x square, this is in fraction, when it goes on top it becomes as minus 2 to the power 2x minus 2. So here we can find this is a negative number, so this is an expression having a negative integral power of x, that is minus 2, so it is not termed to be as polynomial. Same way here in question number 10, root cube x square minus x is an expression having non-negative integral power of x and the highest power is given as 2. So what is the degree here? That is 2. Now if this is your question, 1 by 2x square, when this goes on top it becomes as minus, so what is this? This is the negative integral, and if it is a negative integral, what we can say that this is not a polynomial. Here also we can find the value of x is given in power but it is in fraction. It is an expression having power of x is 1 by 2, which is a fraction. Since it is an expression having a fractional power of x, so it is not a polynomial. Here 3 by 5 x square minus 7 by 3x plus 9 is an expression having only non-negative integral and the power is given as 2. So what is the degree? That is 2. In this question we can find it is in fraction. Straight away we can say that it is not a polynomial because it has got fractional power. Here you can find out the value of x is in root. If you remove this root, we have to write x to the power 1 by 2. That means it comes in fraction. Again we have to say that this is not a polynomial because it has got fractional power. Next number, question number 2, we have to find out whether that is constant, linear, quadratic or cubic. So now let me make you understand first of all. For question number 2, constant means only numbers, linear means 1, quadratic power 2, cubic power 3, quadratic power 4. Here x to the power 1, that means this is linear. Y, that means power 1, linear. Minus z power cube, that means that is cubic. Here also we can find the highest power is 3, that means cubic. So same way, this is your question, minus x plus 7 is a polynomial with a degree 1. And if the degree is 1, what we have to write? Linear polynomial. Here you can find out 1, linear polynomial. Power is 3, that means cubic. Power is 3, that means cubic. Power is 4, that means quadratic. Power is 2, highest power. Highest power 2. So what it is? Quadratic. Power is 2, easily we can say quadratic. Only x is not given here. So what does it mean? This means this is a constant polynomial. Minus p, that means power is 1. What it is? That is linear. Now after this we have to study question number 3, the coefficient of x cube. The first one, in this one we have to find the coefficient of x cube. So just find out x cube is here. What is this? The number is minus 5 along with x3. So what is your answer? That is minus 5. Same way, the coefficient of x is here, along with it minus 2 root 2, that is your answer. Here x cube, so where is this? X cube is here. So what is x cube? Question number 3. Sorry, we have to find out coefficient of x square. So x square is not given here in your question, it was not given. That means the power of x square, the coefficient of x square will be 0. Here asking question number 4, the coefficient of x is here. What is your answer? That is minus 2 by 7. Now is minus 2 by 7. Here in this one asking only the constant term. Constant means the last number, that is minus 2 by 5 pi is given here. Same way, question number 4, we have to determine the degree, and degree means the highest power. So here question number 1, it is given as 4x minus 5x square plus 6x cube. So we can write it in a separate way, that is separately as this 2x is divided by each number. 4x by 2x, 5x square by 2x plus 6x cube by x. Further you can find out, we can cancel these numbers. 2, so we got it 2. Here also I can cancel here. What I got? Minus 5 by 2x. If you cancel here, you will get 3x square. Here if you cancel, you will get it 2 and this 3 is a, so 3x square. So which is the highest power here? We can find out 2. That means the degree is 2. Here this is your question. So what we have to do, first of all we have to multiply this number from both the one. Y square into y, that is y cube, minus y cube into y square, that is y to the power 5. The highest number we can find out, that is the degree is 5. Same way here we have to multiply first from both the numbers. After multiplying we have to arrange them, and then we have to check which has got the highest power. So highest power is 4. That means degree is given as 4. Here in this question number 4, x, if nothing is written, that means we have to understand that is 1. Minus 8, what does it mean? This means that there may be x to the power 0, because the value of x to the power 0 is 1. So minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. So what is your degree here? That is 0. Same way here you can solve. We have to multiply both the numbers. In multiplication we are adding up the powers. Minus 2 plus 4. Here if you solve like this, you will get your answer as x square plus 1. That means the degree is plus 2. Question number 5. Give an example of monomial of degree 5. So monomial means only one number. So any number you can write here. As I have written 4x to the power 5, you can write y to the power 5, z to the power 5, 5 by 3, x to the power 5. Does not matter. Examples of binomial. Binomial means any two numbers, but the degree should be in one degree should be 8. So x minus 4 to the power x, you can write x to the power 8 plus y, any number depending upon you. Trinomial means 3, degree is what? 4. So I have written one example here, you can write by yourself. One degree should be 0, so write any number. 1 you write 5, 7, depending upon you. Now question number 6. Rewrite each of the following polynomial in standard form. Standard form means we have to arrange this. The biggest power we can find out, that is 5x cube. Then less than that is minus 2x square. So minus 2x square plus x plus 8. I have arranged this. This arrangement is called the standard form of polynomial.